So at the moment, I'm indulging in my favourite thing. So this is what I like to do. I like to lay here with my dog. Got the heated blanket on. Got the relaxing dog music on. And just do absolutely nothing. I think these days people call it bed rotting. But I just like to. Do you know what? When you look back in life, you think you'll never look back and think, I wish, like, you'll never regret spending time with your dog. Better than people.